Subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on supercars, reviews, and in-depth features. Today, we dive into the new 2025 Ferrari Factory Chocolate, a masterpiece that blends performance, design, and cutting-edge technology. This model is set to redefine expectations, delivering an unmatched driving experience with a bold new approach. From its stunning aesthetics to its powerful performance capabilities, this Ferrari is engineered to impress both enthusiasts and experts alike. Starting with its design, the 2025 Ferrari Factory Chocolate maintains the brand's signature aerodynamic elegance while incorporating new elements that enhance both form and function. The sleek lines, aggressive stance, and lightweight construction contribute to its superior performance. Every detail, from the sculpted hood to the finely crafted rear, reflects Ferrari's dedication to innovation and craftsmanship. The use of advanced materials not only reduces weight but also increases durability, ensuring that this model delivers both speed and efficiency. The front grille has been refined to improve airflow, and the LED headlights offer a modern, dynamic look that enhances visibility in all conditions. Under the hood, the 2025 Ferrari Factory Chocolate is powered by a state-of-the-art engine that pushes the limits of performance. With a significant boost in horsepower and torque, this Ferrari ensures rapid acceleration and an exhilarating top speed. The combination of an advanced transmission system and an intelligent all-wheel drive system provides exceptional handling and control, whether on the track or the open road. The new exhaust system delivers a deeper, more aggressive sound, amplifying the driving experience. Enhanced aerodynamics, including an active rear spoiler, contribute to better downforce, ensuring stability at high speeds. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Ferrari Factory Chocolate offers a blend of luxury and cutting-edge technology. The seats are crafted from premium materials, providing maximum comfort and support during high-speed drives. The cockpit is designed with a driver-focused layout, featuring a digital instrument cluster that offers real-time performance data. A large touchscreen infotainment system provides seamless connectivity, with support for navigation, music streaming, and smartphone integration. Ferrari's advanced driving assistance systems enhance safety and convenience, making this supercar not only thrilling but also practical for daily use. Performance is where the 2025 Ferrari Factory Chocolate truly shines. With improved acceleration, precise handling, and enhanced braking systems, this model ensures an adrenaline-fueled ride. The suspension has been fine-tuned to offer a perfect balance between comfort and sportiness, allowing drivers to push the car to its limits while maintaining control. The new driving modes provide a customized experience, adapting to different road conditions and driving styles. Whether on a racetrack or city streets, this Ferrari offers an unparalleled driving sensation. Ferrari has also introduced new color options and customization packages for this model, allowing buyers to personalize their vehicle to reflect their unique style. From exclusive paint finishes to bespoke interior options, the Factory Chocolate can be tailored to meet individual preferences. This level of personalization adds to the exclusivity of owning a Ferrari, making each car a unique masterpiece. Sustainability is another key aspect of the 2025 Ferrari Factory Chocolate. With advancements in hybrid technology, this model incorporates electric components that enhance efficiency without compromising performance. The improved fuel economy and reduced emissions align with Ferrari's commitment to a sustainable future while preserving the thrill of high-performance driving. Overall, the 2025 Ferrari Factory Chocolate is a remarkable addition to Ferrari's lineup, combining innovation, luxury, and sheer driving pleasure. From its stunning design to its powerful engine and advanced technology, this supercar is built for those who demand the best. Ferrari has once again set a new benchmark in the automotive industry, pushing the boundaries of performance and style. If you love supercars and want to stay updated on the latest automotive innovations, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more reviews, features, and exclusive insights into the world of high-performance automobiles.